Get ready to explore the world of AI glasses in 2026, where smart technology meets everyday convenience. These advanced wearable devices blend augmented reality, AI-powered features, and high-resolution displays into sleek, stylish designs. From real-time translation and navigation to virtual productivity tools and immersive entertainment, AI glasses are reshaping how we interact with the digital world. In this video, we're counting down the top 10 best AI glasses for 2026, highlighting the most advanced models and cutting-edge features. Whether for work, gaming, or creativity, these smart glasses show how wearable technology is transforming our daily lives and enhancing the way we experience the world around us. Viture Luma Ultra. Viture Luma Ultra XR and AR glasses are created as a premium wearable display that combines immersive visuals with practical augmented reality functionality. Built around advanced micro-OLED technology, the glasses project a large virtual screen experience that feels similar to using a full-sized monitor for work, gaming, or entertainment. A high refresh rate keeps motion smooth, while strong brightness and accurate colors help maintain visual comfort during long viewing sessions. Integrated spatial audio adds depth and clarity without the need for external headphones, improving immersion. Comfort is prioritized through a lightweight frame, balanced weight distribution, adjustable nose pads, and built-in myopia correction that reduces reliance on prescription inserts. Beyond display quality, the Luma Ultra focuses on spatial computing. A multi-camera system enables depth sensing, real-world tracking, and hand gesture interaction when supported by compatible software. Digital content responds naturally within physical space, creating more intuitive experiences. Features like electrochromic lens control, multiple display modes, and real-time 2D to 3D conversion add flexibility, along with simple USB-C connectivity and broad platform support through the Spacewalker ecosystem. Rayneo X3 Pro. Rayneo X3 Pro is a next-generation AR smart glasses model designed to bring practical artificial intelligence and augmented reality into daily life. Officially introduced by Rayneo, the X3 Pro uses a full-color micro-LED display paired with an advanced waveguide optical system to project clear, bright visuals that remain visible even outdoors. The transparent AR display creates a natural viewing experience where digital information blends smoothly with the real world. Powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon AR1 platform, the glasses handle on-device AI processing, spatial computing, and real-time AR tasks while maintaining a lightweight and comfortable design suitable for extended wear. A built-in sensor array with dual cameras supports spatial positioning, environment awareness, and object recognition, enabling contextual overlays and smart interactions. Running on Rayneo OS 2.0, the X3 Pro offers AI translation, navigation guidance, call transcription, and first-person photo and video capture directly within the user's field of view. Support for AI agent apps and multimodal controls such as voice, touch, and connected devices makes the Rayneo X3 Pro a strong example of how wearable AR is evolving into a practical everyday companion. Meta Ray-Ban Display Smart Glasses. Meta Ray-Ban Display Smart Glasses combine classic Ray-Ban design with advanced AI and heads-up display technology. The full-color microdisplay is built into the right lens and is visible only to the wearer, showing messages, navigation, AI responses, live captions, and search results. Announced at MetaConnect 2025, the glasses feature a 600x600 pixel display with up to 5,000 nits of brightness, ensuring clear visibility even outdoors. They include a 12-megapixel camera, open-ear speakers, and microphones that support apps like WhatsApp, Messenger, and music streaming. A key innovation is the Meta Neural Band, a wrist-worn controller using EMG sensors to detect subtle hand gestures for scrolling, selecting, and controlling features without touching the frames. Meta AI integration enables hands-free interaction through voice commands, live captions, real-time translation, and contextual information about the wearer's surroundings. Additional features include turn-by-turn pedestrian navigation, camera previews, messaging overlays, and media controls, all seamlessly connected to a smartphone. With this mix of gesture control, AI features, and iconic style, Meta Ray-Ban Display Smart Glasses deliver a practical and futuristic wearable AR experience that blends functionality with everyday fashion. X-Real 1 Pro. X-Real 1 Pro are next-generation augmented reality glasses designed to provide immersive spatial displays and productivity across devices such as phones, PCs, and the Steam Deck. With a 57-degree field of view and Sony's 0.55-inch micro OLED displays, the glasses deliver a large virtual screen that blends naturally into the environment. Powered by the X-Real X1 spatial computing chip, they offer native 3DOF spatial tracking, ensuring smooth AR interactions without extra hardware. The optics feature the X-Prism system to reduce reflections and stray light, while electrochromic lenses can be adjusted between theater, shade, and clear modes to match different lighting conditions. Each unit is calibrated for accurate color reproduction with delta E below 3. An adjustable IPD ensures a comfortable fit for most users. Audio is delivered through Bose tuned speakers built into the frame, providing clear and balanced sound without headphones. The lightweight 87-gram design supports extended use, and optional XR modular camera support adds 6DoF spatial anchoring and first-person video capture. X-Real One Pro combines immersive visuals, spatial computing, adjustable optics, and high-quality audio to offer a versatile AR experience for work, entertainment, and creative tasks. HTC Vive Eagle. HTC Vive Eagle is HTC's latest AI-powered smart glasses, designed to combine wearable comfort with advanced hands-free intelligence. Weighing under 49 grams and featuring premium Zeiss sun lenses, the glasses provide an ergonomic fit suitable for all-day use while maintaining a stylish appearance. A 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera allows users to capture photos and short videos using simple voice commands. The built-in Vive AI assistant supports major AI models such as Google's Gemini and OpenAI's GPT, enabling tasks like asking questions, setting reminders, and managing schedules without using a phone. One standout feature is real-time translation in 13 languages, allowing users to read signs, menus, or text and hear spoken translations instantly. Photo-based translation tools further improve convenience while traveling. Open-ear audio delivers clear sound without blocking awareness of the surroundings, and the 235 mAh battery provides up to 36 hours of standby time with fast magnetic charging. Data privacy is protected through local storage and AES-256 encryption. HTC Vive Eagle combines AI features, real-time translation, stylish design, and long-lasting comfort to deliver a practical and intelligent hands-free computing experience for travelers, multitaskers, and tech enthusiasts. Even Reality's G2 display smart glasses are designed as everyday wearable technology, blending subtle AR visuals with advanced AI while keeping a classic eyewear style. The glasses feature a floating spatial display using crisp micro-LED projection, showing notifications, navigation, AI prompts, and contextual information directly in the user's field of view without blocking natural vision. A key feature is Conversate, a contextual AI system that tracks conversations and provides real-time suggestions, summaries, definitions, and follow-up prompts. Users can activate features with the phrase, "Hey even," or through voice commands for quick access. The G2 supports real-time translation in multiple languages, while navigation tools and customizable dashboards keep essential information visible at a glance. Designed for comfort and privacy, the glasses have no outward-facing cameras or speakers, use titanium and magnesium frames, offer IP65 water and dust resistance, and include a charging case that supports multi-day battery life. Even Reality's G2 works seamlessly with the Even R1 Smart Ring, enabling gesture-free control and smooth interaction. By combining a discrete design, AI-driven contextual insights, and intuitive control, the G2 brings practical everyday AR experiences to life. Inmo Air 3 AR. Inmo Air 3 AR Plus smart glasses are wearable augmented reality devices that combine powerful visuals, intuitive controls, and AI-enhanced interaction in a sleek all-in-one design. According to the official Inmo website, Air 3 features a 1080p Sony Micro OLED waveguide display with up to 600 nits of brightness and a 36-degree field of view, delivering sharp and vivid AR visuals for apps, media, and productivity. The glasses run on a Qualcomm-powered system with 8 GB of RAM and 128 GB of storage, allowing users to run Android apps directly on the device or mirror screens from phones and computers. A 16-megapixel ultra-wide camera supports photo and 1080p video capture for easy sharing. Inmo Air 3 supports multiple control methods, including a 3DoF smart ring, touchpad, and voice commands, enabling hands-free and flexible interaction. Users can multitask with floating virtual screens for work and entertainment. Developers can create custom AR experiences using official SDKs, App Store support, and the open Inmo Agent platform for AI-powered enhancements. Inmo Air 3 combines high-quality AR visuals, versatile controls, and AI-ready functionality to deliver a portable, powerful, and integrated augmented reality experience for everyday use. Meizu Star V. Meizu Star V smart glasses are part of Meizu's flying XR smart eyewear lineup, designed to bring AR and AI features into everyday wearable technology under the global Starv brand. Models such as Star VU offer a retina-level immersive display equivalent to a 188-inch screen, powered by OLED technology for cinematic visuals and rich audio through custom chambers, all within a lightweight and comfortable frame. The Star V Air 2 AR smart glasses include a waveguide display with up to 2,000 nits of brightness, AI assistant support, real-time translation, teleprompter functions, voice interaction, navigation, and smart memo features running on Meizu's Flime XR 2.0 operating system. These smart glasses integrate smoothly into the broader Flime AI ecosystem, enabling AR visuals and intelligent virtual interactions across daily tasks and entertainment scenarios. Some Star V models also support offline payment capabilities through partnerships such as Alipay Plus, allowing transactions via voice commands and camera-based QR scanning. By combining immersive displays, AI-driven assistance, and ecosystem integration, Meizu Star V smart glasses provide practical AR tools for entertainment, communication, productivity, and everyday convenience, showing the evolution of wearable technology into functional and interactive devices for modern life. Halliday AI Smart Glasses. Halliday AI Smart Glasses are innovative smart eyewear that combine classic frame design with a hidden near-eye display and proactive AI assistance. According to the official Halliday product page, the glasses use a digi-window display module discreetly embedded in the upper right section of the frame, projecting information visible only to the wearer for subtle hands-free access to smart features. Weighing between 28.5 and 35 grams, Halliday glasses feel as light as regular eyewear and support prescription lenses, making them suitable for all-day use without a bulky tech appearance. The glasses connect to smartphones via Bluetooth and offer intuitive control through temple touchpads, an optional trackpad ring, and voice commands. Core AI features include translation, cheat sheets, audio memos, proactive insights, notifications, reminders, and music or text displays, all shown on the discrete internal display. While the exact AI model powering the assistant is not specified, it is designed to deliver contextual support and real-time information directly in the user's line of sight. Halliday AI smart glasses blend comfort, a discrete display, and AI tools to provide practical, everyday wearable intelligence. Rokid Max 2. Rokid Max 2 AR glasses are lightweight wearable display glasses designed to turn everyday screen time into a massive virtual experience. According to Rokid's official product page, Max 2 offers a virtual 215-inch display with 1080p resolution per eye, a 50-degree field of view, and a 120 Hz refresh rate for smooth visuals, making it ideal for movies, gaming, and productivity. The glasses use bright optics with up to 600 nits of brightness and a high contrast ratio, ensuring vivid virtual screens across different lighting conditions. Weighing just 75 grams, Max 2 is comfortable for all-day wear and includes built-in HD directional speakers and noise-canceling microphones for private audio and voice interaction. Diopter adjustment from 0.00 to -6.00 allows users with nearsighted vision to see clearly without inserts. Connectivity with phones, tablets, laptops, and consoles is enabled through USB-C mirroring, making Max 2 a versatile display solution. When paired with Rokid Station, the glasses unlock a spatial computing ecosystem with multi-app spatial modes and large-screen productivity features. Rokid Max 2 combines high-definition visuals, lightweight comfort, and integrated audio to deliver a personal giant-screen AR experience for work and entertainment.